Hello, everyone. Mike Arnold here, co-founder Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. Fastest probably Tesla video you'll ever get from me. Same as yesterday. Same levels we're watching. Inside day from yesterday. It's coiling up. It's still right at the rotation zone for the daily. It's so 4 hour. Let's just go check it real quick. 4 hour rotation zone completely flat. So 4 hours essentially neutral. Daily is still bullish, but waning bullish. So below this 1477 level, we're watching for bottom of the rotation zone, which is still right in line with Monday's low. Below Monday's low, we have the other significant level, 1365, then 1315 and 1262 to the downside. Upside level, 1556 above there. I'll be watching for about 1640. Let's take a look at the daily. Sorry, that was the daily. What was I talking about? The 4 hour we already switched to. So that's what we have. If we get above 1640, it's same as yesterday, 1680. That's it. Talk to everyone later. Bye for now.